Hello mga guys, ang daming puno dito oh. Ang daming tomat sa baby oh. Trees. Small trees. Diba? Punta kami doon sa taas. Magta-try kami papunta ng ano, siguro yan papuntang Pato. Yan. Yeah. Punta kami doon sa Kalalauran. Kuha si Habi ng ano, motor. Ay, nakakahingal. Yan. Daming malalaking puno oh. Ano kaya mga puno to? Punta kami doon oh. Maganda doon daanan. Mapashare lang. Oh, baby, be careful oh. Aray kan bika. Hindi ako makabika, baby. May pa.
You ready?
Yeah. Yan. Punta muna kami. Yan. Akyat po kami. Ito po yung daanan. Be careful, baby. You don't know yet itong
I
daron
walked
ha.
all the way up here already.
Why you come back?
I walked all the way up to the top here.
Why you come back?
What do you mean when I come back?
Ay, we have so
Because by the time I got up here, I was so tired I had to turn around.
You have many houses pala here, oh.
Yeah, but
I
I
don't
stopped
know.
right here. I couldn't go any further.
I don't know I have so many houses here, oh.
You didn't? You never been up here?
No, this is my first time here. Dito po kami mga eday, mga friend. Diba? Yan. Dami palang bahay dito sa taas. Hindi ko alam. Ang dami palang mga houses dito. May gasolina din. Gasoline. Yan, diba? Only hell I think, baby. This is the end.
Go all the way.
No, 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 no. Stop. Don't, ano mo ha?
I'm going to stop.
This is only. Wait, baby. Ah, this is the end. We have so many motorcycle, huh? Akala ko malayo pa yung tinakbuhan na ano lang pala. Baby. Taray. Ah, that is the end. Balik na po kami. Kala ko ano mahaba. Nag-ikot-ikot. Halika kami sa bayay. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Green.
You didn't know there was all these houses up here?
Ha?
You didn't know all these houses were up here?
I don't know why the people there.
Never been up here before?
No, this is my first time na, baby. So I don't know that I have so many houses here. Where we go now?
Where do you want to go?
Huh?
Where do you want to go? I was just thinking of taking a walk up the hill, but
I don't know, babe. I
the
can't.
road
I can't.
instead.
Stop.
You don't want to go down.
Tayo mapagtubog sa baba. Gusto ako, Uncle Tay.
Huh?
That's where we go there, oh. Down where that I told you, so. I need to go on down because no helmet.
No helmet.
Only there, oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Ay. Stop nga, baby, stop. Di ba may nabibinta dito ng mga ibon, no?
Raya, taga si Raya.
Gusto Rhea?
Oo.
Enggak? Ano? Parot?
Ay, Bon. Alam nga ito. Biara.
Weird.
Lagi mo bot sa niya.
Parot kina?
Tawala nga nitong iba na yung doon.
Ah,
Magiging natin pag
akala ko parot.
para ko ibunak ng pagpangyo.
Ibon, hindi. Shall we, baby? Akala ko parot.
Nobody got parrots.
No.
They all just got chickens. Who's gonna watch our chicken?
Huh?
Who's gonna feed our chicken?
You leave it here?
Who's gonna feed it?
I don't know. Stop here, baby. Ayan, oh.
What's that?
You stop here first. This is my, ano, relatives of my brother of my, ano, brother. Come here.
Brother who?
My brother of my father-in-law. Mapamasyar. Sino tao doon? Di number ka rin ano? Di ako number.
Norbert?
Oo. Hindi kami wifi eh. Nakabitan eh. Ay kasi siyempre kung nagluluko ay hindi ano doon sa una ako napunta.
Ay, di, chat mo.
Wala akong number niya.
Hindi kayo friends.
Hindi. Sabihin mo ha. Ay, hingi ko maya pagdaan ko. Bigay mo.
Number ni Ambet sa messenger yung kami kakuha.
Ano ka na pangalan sa Facebook?
Norbert Pastrana.
Ha?
Norbert Pastrana.
Norbert? Ano ka na profile?
Church saya.
Ay, kung karamurang katukayo. Doon ka mo boy saging, be. Where did you get this? Ano ka lay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Ay, ako makaon ako. Nakalagbayin mo ng...
Always eating.
Kay nanay.
Bring that.
She's always eating.
Always eating. Halin kami sa tuktok. Ito sa pinakatumbo. Nakakapila na kasi mo piso wifi.
Kami ang nabilo ay na. Nawanay niya. Ay kami ang sino ang nanay? Kami yung sabi yung trabaho.
1,900 monthly. Pila kayo monthly yake? Sino? Ay, bukaliin do. Binak.
How much is it?
Ha?
How much for the piso?
That is ano for the ano God. Antelele! Hi, Mar. May ano sila oh.
Hmm?
Ang laki.
Looking at the flowers.